Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a busy mom trying to figure out how you're going to make money online? There are so many different ways that you could go making money online. And in this video, I just want to break down two ways. I want to break down the difference between affiliate marketing and digital marketing. So I'm sure on your journey to making money online, you come across these different strategies, right? So you want to make sure that you stick around to the very end, because by the end of it, you'll have a crystal clear idea of what one is the best for you, depending on your current circumstances and your skill level and mindset and all that. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm a single mother of two children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I personally know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts. At the end of those 12-hour shifts, I didn't have enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel as I went round and round and round in circles, living from paycheck to paycheck. You name it, I've been there, done that. From affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. Last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media. So I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. Now, what I'm loving about this program is, even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. Now, if you're looking into affiliate marketing and you've done your research that's come up, affiliate marketing is great for newbies, it's great for beginners, because you don't have to be tech savvy. You don't need to know any coding, have any technical skills. Because as an affiliate marketer, what you can do is you can get an affiliate link, right? So there's different products or services out there that you're passionate about, that you're using, and those companies could have referral links. So all your job as an affiliate marketer is to share that link. Just like if you're going to the cinema, you like the movie or a good restaurant, you recommend that to others, but you don't get a cut, right? With affiliate marketing, you can actually give them a link, and when they buy using your link, you get a commission. And the way it works with affiliate marketing is the company collects the payments and the commissions, right? And holds on to that money. Some of them have a minimum withdrawal limit, so you have to earn a minimum in order for you to actually request a withdrawal. And when you make a request a withdrawal, you can actually there's fees that some of them might have fees that you need to pay, and some of them pay once a month or every Friday. There's different ways, right? So affiliate marketing is great for newbies, and if you're not tech savvy, if you're passionate about any product or service that has a referral link, you can just share that, right? Share what you're using and get kickback. And what's great about affiliate marketing is some affiliate marketing products, you don't have to actually use the products or pay for the products. You can still promote the link without actually having spent a penny, and you can actually get monthly recurring commissions as well. Okay. Now, digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is all about learning the skills to promote your product, service, your affiliate product, service or online, right? It's getting away from talking to your family and friends to going online, meeting your target audience where they are, okay? Because ideally, you should have a solution to a problem that they're looking for, and then you could show up. So, There's different types of digital marketing that you could do. You could do content marketing, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm creating video content, but you could write articles, blogs. You could do that way. And when people search for whatever it is that you have, whatever video or article that you wrote, your article could show up, and then you could have links in there to your affiliate products. So they kind of go hand in hand. You could do paid ads on Google, YouTube, Facebook. You could do social media, like you're already on social media, liking and scrolling. Why not turn that time into income producing activities? You could do classified ads, you could do this email marketing, you could do AI chatbots. There's different ways that you could actually meet your target audience, take them from a cold lead into a paid customer, right? Take them through a journey. So if you want to get into digital marketing, it's great, because what happens is that this has been my experience. You get your hands on something that you're passionate about in the affiliate space, for example, but you don't have the skills to actually market that the right way, and then you're kind of stuck with this thing that you're passionate about, but you can't actually get people to your referral link. So the two work hand in hand, because you could use digital marketing. You can learn digital marketing skills and use those skills to promote your affiliate products, right? Which is something that I do. As a digital marketer, once you learn the skills, there's so much you could do. You could do freelancing, you could have an agency, you could promote, you could use your skills to brand you, to promote different offers, and in digital marketing as well, you could actually create digital products, right, on Canva, and then sell them on marketplaces like Etsy. You are limited. You are only limited by your imagination. So I want to share with you, I kind of touched on this program, this digital marketing program that I came across, which is absolutely changing my life. And what I love about it and why I want to share it with you is that not only can you learn high in demand digital marketing skills, but you could also earn 100% commissions paid instantly and directly to you. Remember how I said with affiliate marketing, the money is paid to the company who holds the money and then give you a percentage of that money. Well, with digital marketing, I'm part of a business model called Master Resell Rights, where you can buy a program one time, right, and have the rights to resell that program over and over again and get paid all the money, 100% paid instantly and directly to you. Cut out the middleman altogether. So this is absolutely fantastic. And once you learn digital marketing skills, you can use those skills to affiliate marketing. You can use it for whatever it is that you want, right? You can't unlearn what you know. So it's very, very powerful to kind of mix the two. So I want to share with you my screen here and share with you the earning potential that if you decide to get into digital marketing, decide to learn the skills. Let me share with you the earning potential. This is our bonus site, where we have a community of 50,000 paid members. And if I just go to calendar here, we have live interactive coaching and mentorship. So in just 2 hours in Dublin time, we're having an onboarding call. So if you're new, you can jump onto that, get all the help you need. We have a CEO of a company that's going to come in and talk to us about of a tool that we can use to build our business. Oh, I'm going back. Am I? Where dates it? Oh yeah, I went back. So the next the next is the 1st of April. We have mentoring calls on Monday, right? So Monday is the 1st. Wow, the time is flying. Time waits for nobody, right? We have training there on Monday. You can see Monday is a busy day. We have tech calls there. We have content Q&A. You can ask questions. And Thursday, what do we have? We have another support call. So our classroom is where we have we have different bonuses, right? But our 90-day sprint is all about our multi-millionaire who created this program sends us a video with different assignments at the end of it. So in this video, we are on day 61 of our 90-day, where she's talking about wins. And we have all this mindset training. We have a content vault, mentoring replays that you'd have missed, social media training, and so on and so forth. But I just want to share with you some wins that we have in the community to give you an idea of what's not possible. I'm going to scroll down and look for financial wins. Avon 2 days ago said he made a total of $1,500 yesterday. It's all been Facebook up to now. TikTok is no longer the experiment, it's converting, okay? Because we learn how to turn our social media platforms into ATMs. Tony, 11 hours ago, made his first $900 sale. Congratulations. Christina had 15,000 viewers on live. Absolutely amazing. And let me see. Just looking for financial wins. Sharon, first 2 sales, 1,800 US dollars. Canadian, 2,500. The feeling is amazing, something worth fighting for. Stay focused on the prize. $100 day, Marsha, while she was in the shower. Donna, celebrating my first $900 sales in 8.5 months. Congratulations, and so on and so forth, right? So these are the different wins shared in our community. So if you would like to learn the digital marketing skills, high income skills, how to brand yourself, how to build an email list, how to use attraction marketing so that you turn that time that you're using liking and scrolling into income producing activities, I invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free Freedom Formula guide. Now, I'm going to deliver this guide to your email, so make sure you check your spam folder and respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is the right fit to help you absolutely change your life in 2025. Because this year, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 150 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So will you be one of those? Let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is the right fit for you. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.